Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Hold it together in the past, you know, and if they do one thing is only from Iraq right now, it gets almost all of its money from oil, and right now oil prices
are you serious?
If and when a government does get formed, there could be cash to tackle some of these big problems.
Seriously, man, mirrors.
That is Inquest Jason Billion and back here. Jason, thank you. Thank you, Michelle.
Oh, yeah. So you need to.
And safety at or behind the line of scrimmage. I mean, they're trying to stop run. They want to put guys up there.
Damn.
If you're the Bengals defense,
This dude that's turning, freaking
guys up here.
Yep. She's pulling out. And then this one was going straight. Should we go check up on him? Yeah, just make sure everybody's fine.
You guys okay?
Did you see it, bro?
I got it on dash cam. I'll give you.
Can you stay here?
Yeah, sure.
Come on, go!
Russia. They're the ones with over 100,000 troops aligned against the other border with Ukraine.
A full-scale invasion would likely begin with air to take up
And
to
that's asking for a
10,000
flat tire
casualties.
over there.
He's gonna hit me, isn't he?
Treating the roads ahead of the falling temperatures. They're concerned about some icing on a lot of the major roads. That's obviously going to be an issue later this evening. So again, everyone stop as roads that is south on the
Boom!
To that, it's slow Montgomery Drive down to Spring Garden. Westbound Schuylkill, pretty quiet.
I would
South
know.
95, you're jammed as you head south of Academy. There's a crash there, a spin-out accident in the left lane. North on 95, we're jammed solid from north of the Betsy Ross Bridge up to the approach of Cottman Avenue, the right lane. Trying to repair a large pothole there. That's emergency construction.
Now
in
pull
Delaware.
over. Well, that was stupid.
I need you to do that in front of me. Yes, that's correct. I also calls on the screen, like yours, and said, I don't know if you're up for it. So let me just ask the second part first. You have parents you like? Yes. Good. Here's my radical. You sit down with your family tonight and say, I have blown it. I wiped everybody's butt.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.